Hello, my name is swissbianco. This video will be the detail video about the Sea Rancher in gold A-lux, as it is in front of the camera in my hand. We see already the different tools that this Swiss Army knife has. We have the main blade here, the Brunner blade, the screwdriver feature with the bottle opener and the wire stripper, and the sacking needle marlin spike feature. The A-lux is gold color and it features a red shield here. Really nice looking. On the back side we see also, of course, the gold A-lux scale, and we also see the big cutout that is made that the marlin spike sacking needle fits. We have also the engraving plate there. It's a 2-layer Swiss Army knife, so it's relative compact. I'm gonna close the parts. The main blade is the regular shape and size like the A-lux Soldier Swiss Army knife or the Farmer that you may have, and of course the screwdriver is same as well. Then we have the Brunner blade, small Brunner blade that comes in handy for purpose of the point. It's a really sharp point if you need to cut or to whittle with it. That point comes in handy. And then we have, of course, the sacking needle marlin spike feature. On this side we simply grab the eye and open it up. The spring is not that hard, so it's easy to open and to close. That much about the gold A-lux Sea Rancher. It was a limited edition Swiss Army knife made by Victorinox for swissbianco. I hope it's not only a collectible, that some people also gonna test it out and use it.